oaks and skylines, petal pulse through morning's gleam. London wakes, a rolling dream. Bells like laughter, crisp and clear, echo down the Thames near ear. Whiz past taxis, crimson blurs. Wind-tangled hair, the city stirs. Over Tower Bridge I glide, a river's ribbon by my side. Pavement poet, skyline rhyme, Big Ben ticking perfect time. Double-deckers hum in tune, to gears that sing beneath the moon. Coffee scents on Camden breeze. Spokes like whispers through the trees. Street art flashes, bold, divine. Banksy winks as I freewheel by. Pigeons scatter, markets call. Wheels waltz past St. Paul's Great Wall. Raindrops dance on Helmet's crest, a silver rhythm, London blessed. From Notting Hill to Hackney Wick, the city's heartbeat, quick, electric. Each turn, each lane a lyric spun, a song of spokes, of sky, of sun. So let the lights blink emerald green, let joy ride wild through every scene. For cycling London's not just travel, it's poetry in swift unravel. Love in the cycle lane. Through London's heart I softly glide, your laughter drifting by my side. The city hums, a gentle tune, of lovers spinning under moon. The cobblestones remember feet that danced where asphalt now meets street, where wheels entwined, two souls that roll through raindrop skies and heart's control. By burrows, stalls, and whispered chai, we chase the clouds, let pigeons fly. Your scarf, a flame in morning's chill, I pedal faster, time stands still. Past lovers' locks on bridges old, our fingers brush, a spark of gold. The Thames reflects our fleeting grace, two shadows merge, one tender face. In Kensington's soft twilight air, your hand rests lightly, lingering there. The city blushes, lamplights gleam, and every turn feels like a dream. For London isn't gray tonight, her streets are candlelit delight. Each gear, each breath, each spinning frame whispers softly your secret name. So let the tires kiss the stone, let hearts make rhythm of their own. For love, like cycling through this town, finds beauty each time we slow down. Eternal wheels. Beneath the hush of London skies, I ride where time itself complies. Each street a verse, each turn a rhyme, two hearts in motion free from time. The Thames, a mirror soft and wide, reflects your gaze, the city's pride. We pass through arches carved by years, our laughter echoing through tears. The lamps, like stars the fog can't hide, burn gold upon the river's tide. And as we glide through cobbled paths, the moment whispers, make it last. Through Bloomsbury's breath of books and rain, through echoes old as Shakespeare's name, your hand in mine, the world feels small, yet infinite. We own it all. The bells of St. Paul's gently chime, their notes entwined with wheel and time. We move, we breathe, the night is still. Love hums along the spoke's soft thrill. No map can chart this fleeting art, no compass guides the human heart. For London streets, like veins, remain, alive with love eternal, plain. And when the dawn begins to bloom, we'll find no end, nor love's perfume. For every turn of spoke and star reminds me, love, here we are. Ode to the green beneath our dreams. Oh, green grass giggles in morning's gleam, soft as a whisper, bright as a dream, tickling toes with emerald schemes, weaving sunlight through silver streams. Each blade a brushstroke, nature's art, painting joy in every heart, swaying hips in a breezy dance, a velvet waltz, a leafy trance. You gossip with clover, flirt with dew, tell tall tales where the robins flew, catch the sky's sigh, hold it near, sing summer's song for all to hear. You cradle picnics, bare feet play, catch every cartwheel, hold each ray, hide tiny kingdoms, bug parades, green confetti where wonder wades. Oh, laughter grows where you take root, you hum beneath each daisy's flute, the earth's soft carpet, wild and free, the greenest note in nature's key. So grow sweet grass in your emerald tomb, kiss the souls of the lazy noon, keep the world in your gentle clasp, forever green, forever grass. Tree Mendes. Oh tree, you tower of leafy grace, skyward dreamer with bark for a face, rooted dancer, wind's old friend, you twist and reach, you never bend, your branches scribble poems in air, green confetti everywhere, you hum with bees, you flirt with breeze, you gossip softly with the leaves, your roots are secrets deep and wise, you sip the whispers earth supplies, you cradle seeds like future stars, and let them drift to where they are. A nest hotel, a squirrel spree, your Airbnb for chickadee, a swing set post, a shade parade, a hammock hanger tailor-made. You change your outfits every year, Spring's green gown, autumn's cheer, winter's lace of frosty threads, summer's crown upon your head. O tree, you teach your quiet sage, you turn each gust into a page. You show that stillness can be strong, and silence hums its own sweet song. The squirrel circus, zip, zap, zoom. There they go, little sparks of fur and glow, leaping, laughing, tail on fire, tiny acrobats that never tire. Nutty notions fill their heads. They stash their treasures in flower beds. Where'd I hide that snack, they squeak. Then off they dash, so quick, so sleek. They chatter gossip, branch to branch. In leafy towns they leap and prance, treetop gestures, fleet and free, flipping through the canopy. They surf the breeze on autumn's side, their nature's giggle passing by, a blur of joy, a flash of play. They turn gray mornings gold and gay. Oh, squirrel of sparkle, bright and small, you teach us laughter most of all, to chase our dreams from root to sky, to leap with trust and never ask why. So scamper on, you nut-brained crew, the world feels lighter watching you. Squirrely whirly, squirrels, oh squirrels, those fuzzy buffoons. The woodland comedians, nutty cartoons, bouncing on branches like caffeine on legs, plotting world domination, or stealing your eggs. Their tail fluff rockets, zooming on high, chasing each other through treetop sky. Guard the stash, one shrieks in vain. Oops, forgot where it is again. They dig, they dash, they dart, they dive, each one the happiest nut alive. They stare you down mid-acorn heist, with faces like, who, me? Oh, nice. They chatter like gossip queens of fall, running their tiny treetop mall, trading pine cones, rumors flare. Did you hear? The oaks got bare. Oh, squirrel society, nuts and neat, tiny hands, enormous feet. You bury dreams and find them, never, yet keep on hoarding. Smart? Well, clever. So here's to squirrels, the zippy jesters, fluffy-tailed chaos, woodland investors. May your acorns roll and laughter stay, you nutty legends. Scamper away.